Good day, YouTube. This is a bit of a video for all the plebs and the noobs and whatever you want to call them out there that are new to Linux or Linux Mint in particular, about how to install something or really anything in Linux Mint 19.1 through the terminal or any version of Linux Mint or Ubuntu for that matter. So it does work for Ubuntu as well, the operating system. So what you do need to do is open up a terminal, so Control-Alt-T, and then once you're in there, in order to install something, it comes down to what the program's going to be. Is it going to be the Chrome web browser? Is it going to be FileZilla? Is it going to be VirtualBox? Anything like that. So type in sudo for root privileges, apt, then installed, and the name of the program. In this case, I'll just type in FileZilla, a common file transfer protocol application there, or app. So there we go. We type that in, we hit enter, we throw in our password, and then we click yes to confirm. We are downloading 4 meg approximately, and then there we go. So it's really that simple. And once it has been installed, it will, for the most part, show up actually in your applications menu there. So if we type in FileZilla, there it is, great. But then if you want to actually run it through the terminal, which isn't always recommended, you can just open up the terminal and just type in FileZilla, hit enter, and off you go. So it's really that simple, guys. There's not a great deal to it. It's lots of fun. It's actually one of the fastest ways to install really anything, and I would it's highly recommended over the App Store, which is fairly limited in nature for Linux. It's usually through the terminal. This is your App Store. This is where it's all at right here. See this black box here? This is what it's all about. So that's about it, guys. Super fun, simple, quick noobs video just to show you guys how to install stuff through the terminal. Very, very simple there. So cheers, guys. Hope you've enjoyed.